Hi, I'm David Harry, and in this, the fourth video in the series A Quickie with Dave, I'll be doing a very quick unboxing of the Huawei Y6 2018. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is keep it dead short. It's just going to be a mega quick unboxing just so we can see what's inside the box for the Y6 2018. And the reason why I've got to keep this quick is just because I've got a banging headache. I was out last night with my mate Grant celebrating his birthday and I'm still hanging today, so I just need to do this and get back to bed. Okay, so this is the front of the box, and what I'm going to do is just hold position on all of its faces that I've got information on. I'll just hold the shots for a few seconds, and if you need to read them, just pause the video. Okay, so now I'm going to open up the box and let's see what comes inside. So first thing out of the box is the SIM eject tool. Next thing out is a USB cable for charging the phone and also connecting it for transferring data to and from computers, etc. Next up is the USB charger, and this is just a 1 amp charger and it's got the little flip up earth there. And then on the back there is the USB output. There's also a warranty card and a manual if you're into that kind of thing. There's also a set of in-ear earphones. And so finally to the most important thing in the box, the phone. So what I'm going to do is just remove it from this plastic bag that it comes in. Then I'll take off the other little bits of plastic, you know, these little thin film protectors that are on it. Okie dokie. So looking at the front from top down, in the top corner up here, although you can't see it because it's hidden under the glass, there's a power indicator. Here, just under the glass again, there's an infrared sensor. Here is the front facing camera. There's the grill there for the earpiece. And then just under the glass here, we've got something that's called Smart Selfie Butterflighting, whatever that is, I don't know. So onto the rear of the phone, and again, from top to bottom, there we've got the main camera. Next to it is the flash for the camera and the light, and here this little tiny dot is the secondary microphone, and at the bottom we've got the Huawei logo and also some bits of manufacturing information here, also the model number. On one side of the phone, what we have here is the SIM tray. On the other side of the phone, we have the power button and the volume rocker. On the bottom of the phone, we've got the grills for the speaker system and also one of the microphones. And then in the middle there, we've got a micro USB socket, which is obviously for charging and also data transferring. And the last thing is the top edge of the phone. And here we have the all-important headphone and microphone socket. And when I say all-important, this is very important because my particular use for this phone is going to be for its video recording capabilities if it's any good, but that will also mean plugging in microphones, so that's why that socket there is very important. So there's everything all laid out on the table: the box, the charger, the USB cable, the headphones, the warranty card, the SIM tray ejection tool, the manual, and obviously the phone as well. And something that I forgot to mention earlier on, the phone actually does come with a pre-installed plastic screen protector already on it. So like I said, it was just going to be a quick unboxing of the Y6 2018. And over the next coming month or so, what I'm going to be doing is testing out the Y6 2018 as a camcorder type device and also as an audio recorder as well. So if them tests go well and it can be used as a half decent budget vlogging device or audio recorder, I'll definitely be doing some videos about that as well. Anyway, I'm going to have to get off now because I'm knackered. And it's not because I'm knackered because of the A Quickie with Dave, although I'd like to say it was because of that. No, it's just quite simply, as I said earlier on, I'm still hanging from last night and I need to get to bed. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now. Huawei Huey, and at the bottom it's finished off with Huawei Huey. It's a Huey phone. Huawei Huey. Huawei. Is it Huawei Huey or Wooey?